Hello everyone. Post-traumatic stress disorder can develop after someone experiences a life-threatening event. Its symptoms include recurring nightmares, flashbacks, and emotional numbness. People with this condition often feel constantly on alert, have difficulty concentrating, and may show sudden anger. This illustrates how severe psychological stress impacts daily life long after the event has passed. Beta-Alanine is a specific amino acid that helps increase psychological resilience against such events. It works by significantly boosting the amount of a peptide called carnosine within your cells. Understanding this mechanism allows you to see how a nutritional supplement can directly influence your body's chemistry and stress response. Higher carnosine levels, in turn, promote the production of Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor, or BDNF. BDNF is a critical protein that acts like a fertilizer for your brain, helping nerve cells grow and form new connections.
Supporting your BDNF levels is a direct way to enhance learning, memory, and the brain's ability to repair itself. Researchers Hoffman and Stout from the University of Central Florida explored this connection in a study published in the journal Amino Acids. They gave a group of rats a daily dose of beta-alanine for 1 month to measure its effects on stress. This experiment provides a clear model for how targeted supplementation can change the brain's reaction to trauma. The rats in the study received 100 milligrams of beta-alanine for every kilogram of their body weight. For a 90-kilogram person, this dosage translates to approximately 1,500 milligrams per day. This specific information allows you to understand the practical dosage used to achieve these neurological benefits. To create a stressful situation, the researchers exposed the rats to cat feces for 10 minutes.
This method induces a powerful and instinctual fear response in rats because they are genetically wired to avoid predators. This process creates a reliable animal model for studying the effects of acute psychological trauma. After the stress exposure, the scientists observed the rats in a familiar maze that contained a new, unexplored pathway. Normally, high stress makes animals anxious and much less likely to investigate new surroundings. This behavioral test is a direct measure of anxiety and the impulse to explore. The results showed that stressed rats given a placebo avoided the new path, confirming their heightened anxiety. However, the rats that received beta-alanine supplementation explored the new area just as much as the rats that were never stressed. This demonstrates that beta-alanine directly reduced the behavioral signs of fear and preserved their natural curiosity.
The supplement also created measurable changes in the rats' brains by increasing carnosine levels in the hippocampus. The stressed placebo group experienced a sharp drop in BDNF production in this brain region. The beta-alanine group was protected from this decline, maintaining healthy BDNF levels despite the stress. The hippocampus is a vital part of the brain that manages emotions, learning, and memory formation. Protecting the hippocampus from stress-related damage is essential for maintaining cognitive health and emotional stability. The study shows that supporting BDNF in this area is a key strategy for resilience. The protective effect of beta-alanine is directly tied to its ability to preserve BDNF expression within the hippocampus. By elevating brain carnosine, the supplement shields the brain from the harmful chemical changes caused by severe stress. This finding identifies a clear nutritional strategy for bolstering the brain's natural defenses against trauma.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.